Hello children, welcome to English class. This is part 2 of singular and plural. Make sure to watch part 1 before watching it. And today it's time to do Unit 5 at page number 9 of your English grammar book, One and Many. So children, now open your English grammar book, Unit 5, page number 9. Nouns may be one or more than one. Singular means one and plural means many. Children, we add s to some words to make them plural. So, you have read one stands for singular and many stands for plural. Now we will see how we can convert a singular word into plural. One apple. Many apples. We add s with apple. One bat. Many bats. We add s with bat to make plural. One cap. Many caps. Here again we add s. One pencil. Many pencils. So children, you have seen in all these words we have added s with the word to make plural of it. Let us start doing question number 1. Now add s to make plural nouns. One stands for singular. Many stands for plural. So here we will convert a singular into plural. Number 1. Aunt. Many aunts. We will add s with aunt to make plural of it aunts. One singular boy. Many plural boys. We will write boy and add s to it to make plural of it, that is boys. One singular fan. Many plural fans. We will write fan and add s to it to make plural of fan, that is fans. One singular ship. Many plural ships. How we will write? We will add s to the ship to make plural of it, that is ships. So children, you have seen we added s to make plural. Now let's read it. We also add es to some nouns to make them plural. Let us read some examples. One bus. Many buses. We add es to the word bus to make plural of it. One glass. Many glasses. Look carefully, children. We added es to the word glass to make plural of it, glasses. One watch. Many watches. Here again, we added es to the word watch to make plural of it, watches. One dress. Many dresses. One tomato. More than one, that is many tomatoes. One box. Many boxes. So children, here you have seen we used es. Now let's do second exercise. Add es to make plural nouns. You know, one stands for singular and many stands for plural. And we will add es here to make plural of these words. Let's start with the first word. And first word is brush. One brush. Many brushes. Here we will write brush and add es to it to make plural of this word, brushes. Number 2. One mango. Many mangoes. We will write mango and add es to it to make plural of the word mango. One fox. Many foxes. We will write fox and add es to it to make plural of this word, that is now foxes. One bench. Many benches. Here again, look carefully. We added es. One potato. Many potatoes. Here again, we added es to the word potato. So children, you have seen in these words we added es and made plural of it. Now it's time to read the tip of the day. Now children, you should always remember most of the nouns ending in o, x, ch, sh, ss takes es to form plurals. That means the words that ends at o, x, ch, sh and ss will be having es in their plural. Now children, look at the next page for question number 3 and 4. Question number 3. Fill in the blanks with the plurals of the words given in the brackets. Here children, the sentences are given and we have given the option of a word. We have to write the plural of this word. Let's start with number 1. Tony has 2 dash. Tony has 2 pens. We will write here pens. Number 2. Sam has many dash watches. The plural of watch is watches. And you can see here the word watch ends at ch. So we will add es to the word watch to make plural of it watches. Number 3. Dash are flying in the sky. Birds. The plural of bird is birds. We add s with the word bird to make plural birds. Number 4. Dash are very sweet. Plural of mango is mangoes. And children, here the word mango ends at letter O. So we will add es to make plural of mango. That is mangoes. Number 5. I have some trendy dash dresses. Here the word dress ends at double s. So we add es to make plural of dress, dresses. Number 6. We respect our teachers. We add s to the word teacher to make plural of it teachers. Question number 4. Look at the park scene. Write what you see there. Use the words from the cloud. Here a picture is been given. Let's read the words in the cloud. Flower, mango, girl, puppy, butterfly, bird, tree, bench. Now children, let us use the words from the cloud and count how many of them you see there. 2 girls. At number 1, 2 girls. And if you count them, there are 2 girls. At number 2, 6 flowers. And if you count them, there are 6 flowers. So let's start with the word mango. And there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 mangoes. Write at number 3, 8 mangoes. Next word, puppy. Let's see for puppy. And there is only one puppy in the picture. Let's write at number 4. 1 puppy. Next word is butterfly. And if you see in the picture, there is only one butterfly. Let's write it at number 5. 1 butterfly. Next word is bird. Let's count number of birds in the picture. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 birds. Let's write at number 6. 4 birds. Next word is tree. Children, let's count. 1, 2, 3. There are 3 trees. So let's write it at number 7. 3 trees. Last word is bench. And there are 2 benches. So at number 8, write 2 benches. Now children, you have seen. Through this picture also, you have written one and many, that is singular and plural. For plural, you have used either S or ES, and you have seen in few of the words you have used ES, like in mangoes when the word ends at letter O, you added ES, and to the word bench, the word ended at CH, so you used ES to make plural of the word bench, benches. Now children, look at the next page for question number 5 and fun time. Question number 5. Choose the correct options and fill in the blanks. In these sentences, you have given option of singular and plural. Let's choose the correct one and complete the sentences. Number 1. Mr. Jan owns 2 dash houses. We will write here houses. Number 2. There are 7 dash in a week. 7, that is many. And for many, days. We will write here days. There are 7 days in a week. Number 3. There are 30 students in my dash. In my, that is one person. So here you will write class. For one, we write class. There are 30 students in my class. Number 4. My dash is very pretty. Mother. My mother is very pretty. Number 5. An dash is a juicy fruit. An orange. An orange is a juicy fruit. Number 6. The dash are twinkling in the sky. Stars. You know, there are many stars in the sky. So your sentence is, the stars are twinkling in the sky. Now children, it is fun time and it is your homework. Count and write the number of triangles, circles, rectangles, and squares you see in this picture. Children, you will be counting the number of triangles, circles, rectangles, and squares in this picture and write it here in front of triangle, circle, rectangle, and square. Children, today we have done from English Grammar Book, Unit 5, One and Many. Now it is time for today's thought. And today's thought is, the more you practice, the better you get.